Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials: a signed-in Teams client and a meeting or channel. First, join the meeting or open the channel conversation where you want the whiteboard. Once connected, click Share at the top right of the meeting controls or the Share icon in a chat. Make sure your app is up to date so Whiteboard appears. While sharing, choose Microsoft Whiteboard from the list. This starts a shared canvas everyone in the session can access. Once you select Microsoft Whiteboard, the board loads for all participants. You'll see a live canvas and toolset. You can draw with pen, add shapes, text, and sticky notes. Use the selector to move content. Make sure to invite collaborators if someone can't see the board. Use the Invite or Copy Link option inside Whiteboard. If someone needs edit access, toggle their permission. This real-time collaboration keeps everyone. To finish, stop presenting and save your work. Use the export or save options in Whiteboard to keep a copy. If Whiteboard does not appear, make sure your Teams client is updated. Once done, try opening the standalone Whiteboard app or web version and share that window. If collaborators cannot edit, check meeting policies and user permissions. As a last resort, sign out and back in or reinstall Teams. These steps resolve most permission and syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.